Hi guys, it's Simran here and today I'm back with a very exciting video. Are you tired of your facial hair and you don't want to wax because it's too painful, or don't want to use a razor because it might just have a side effect? So today I'm going to show you some natural remedies that you can use to get rid of your facial hair. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So I'll be showing two different ways of getting rid of your facial hair, but you have to be very consistent in using these techniques. So the first one is using milk and turmeric, haldi or doodh. Thoda sa haldi, thoda sa doodh, just apply it every day on your skin for 3 to 4 days for a couple of weeks, and slowly and steadily you will get rid of your facial hair. So I have already made a mixture of haldi and milk. So all you have to do is apply it on your face, and you can use a cotton swab if you want. So after you have applied it, leave it for 30 minutes, let it dry up, and then after that wash it off with cold water. Do not use warm water because it will wipe off all the ingredients that you have actually used on your face. You have to apply this for 3 to 4 days for a couple of weeks to get rid of your facial hair. It won't show an effect if you are not consistent. So it won't have a side effect because haldi or turmeric is one of the most natural ingredient that you can use on your face without having any side effects. So our second natural remedy to get rid of your facial hair is quite easy and you can find it in your kitchen. So we'll be using 3 ingredients. The first one is yogurt or dahi, haldi and a little bit of honey. So the benefits of these 3 ingredients are that yogurt and honey is used to moisturize your skin, and turmeric ya haldi jaise bolte hai is used to heal your skin. These 3 ingredients will help reduce the hair growth from within. So I have already made the mixture of these 3 ingredients. We can apply it directly with hand. So after you apply these ingredients, wait for around 15 to 20 minutes and then rub it off and wash it with cold water. Do not use warm water. This ingredient mixture will help get rid of your facial hair, since you know that facial hair is embarrassing when you go to a public event or when you are between friends. So it's better to get rid of it in a natural way. So use this at least twice a week till you get rid of your facial hair. So I hope that these 2 facial hair removal remedies are helpful to you in the future and you can get rid of your facial hair naturally. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment below and subscribe to our channel Foxy. You can follow me on Instagram, Makeover by Simran. Thank you.